everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charina, and yes, what you can see on the description box below, I'm doing this makeup tutorial, my first ever makeup tutorial that I made or that I uploaded here in my channel. So yeah, I did not put any fake lashes on my eyelashes, guys. So all the products that I made is paulit-ulit lang, repeated. I use it on my eyebrows, I use it on my eyeshadow and my blush on or whatsoever. So if you want to know how I made this one, I hope you will continue watching this video, guys. And disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist, so please bear with me, guys, if I made a mistake or the process or the step-by-step thing that I made, because this is on the spot. I did not make any video ahead of this one. I make it on the spot on this cell phone that I'm using right now. So anyway, so if you wanna know how I made this look, let's keep on watching. Okay, so yung una nating gagawin is we have to clean first in our face. Pero sa akin, it's already been cleaned. I already put a what they call this one, I already washed my face, and also I put a cleanser on my face already. So the first thing we're gonna do is to put the foundation, but what I'm gonna do is I have to put the BB cream. I have the BB cream here, so I'm using the BB Holic White Korea BB Holic Everyday BB cream. Okay, so yung ano niya is light, so I'm using light one, guys. Okay, so I have also here this is a foundation brush, but we'll try this one. This is my first time that I'm going to use this one. This is BYS foundation. Yeah. Guys, yung next natin gagawin is maglagay tayo ng powder. So wala tayong mga settings powder, diba? So gagawin natin, ito yung gagamitin natin, guys. Ito is Bench Daily Spread. So in the color of natural siya. Ayan. Marami pong kulay doon sa bench, pero ito yung maganda para sa akin. So natural color lang siya. So silalagay na natin siya. Guys, so ito yung gamit ko ulit, BYS Brow Definition Kit. So ito yung gagamitin ko, guys. So meron siyang 3 shades, ayan, at ito yung parang cream niya na nilalagay before mo idikit tong tatlong kulay na to. So ang gamitin natin is ito lang siya, yan at saka yan. So wala kasi nilagay dark brown at saka light brown lang siya. Ito black, ito yung isa. Okay, so yung gagamitin natin ito dark brown tsaka yung ating result sa ating makeup kanina. So, ayan na. Binababa ko na yung hair. Medyo, yung hair ko guys, medyo basa pa siya. It's kind of wet pa yung hair ko because I forgot also I leave my, what they call this one? I leave my hair blower sa Cebu ulit. So, masyado pang basa ang ating hair. So, binaba ko. So, ito na yung result niya, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda niya tignan sa camera, guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung maganda ba tignan sa personal. Pero, ito siya. Para sa akin, guys, maganda to sa gabi. Pero, kailangan mag-red ka ng lipstick sa gabi para makikita yung lips mo. Pero, ito, if daytime naman, okay din siya sa daytime. Ang ganda niya tignan sa camera. So, medyo kasana yung ilong ko, guys. So, ayan na yung result natin. Makita mo yung contour niya, hindi siya masyadong makapal, sakto lang. At saka ang fine ng skin natin guys, sa mukha natin. So yung gamit ko lang yung BB cream kanina. So ayan na guys, so I hope you guys na-enjoy kayo sa aking first ever makeup tutorial and I hope you like. At yung earrings ko ang nagdadala dyan. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. So please comment down below if you want me to make another video of makeup. So I can continue doing it and I can purchase some of makeup also for another looks na naman ang gagawin natin. So, I am hoping to put a fake lashes next time. So, dito kasi guys, para kung medyo tipid, ito yung titingnan ninyo, walang eyelashes, fake lashes. So, ayun guys, medyo mura lang naman kung bibili ka sa hindi branded na lashes. So, okay, so that's all for today guys. Hope you like my video and thank you so much for watching.